Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi chicken curry. First, marinate your chicken. Combine 1.5 pounds of chicken pieces with plain yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, red chili powder, and salt. Mix well to coat every piece. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes, or even better, overnight in the refrigerator. This step is crucial for tender, flavorful chicken. Next, we'll build the curry base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pot and sauté 2 large, finely chopped onions until they turn golden brown. Then, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 slit green chilies, cooking for a minute. Stir in chopped tomatoes, along with coriander powder, cumin powder, and garam masala. Cook this mixture until the oil begins to separate from the masala, indicating it's well cooked. Now it's time to add the star ingredient. Introduce your marinated chicken to the prepared masala base. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the chicken is well coated. Cook on medium heat, stirring occasionally, for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then, add 1 cup of water, bring it to a boil, and reduce the heat. Cover and simmer until the chicken is completely tender and the curry has thickened to your desired consistency. Finally, for those finishing touches, garnish your delicious Desi chicken curry with a generous sprinkle of fresh, chopped cilantro. This adds a wonderful aroma and brightens the dish. Serve it hot with fluffy basmati rice, warm naan bread, or even roti for a complete and satisfying meal. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your homemade curry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.